Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some little seeds that I've just sprouted, which I'm very excited about. Just pull them out of here. These are the seeds of the flying dragon orange. It's that wild citrus that I showed you guys in a previous video not too long ago. And I sprouted the seeds and they successfully sprouted. I'm just sitting down here. Let me try and show them to you in a good way. There they all are. So these guys are ready to get planted now. And I've got a bunch of little pots like this. I'm going to plant them in just one seed to each pot. I probably don't even have enough pots. I need to get some more. I got a few more off the camera here, off to the side. But what I'm going to do is plant them, keep them watered kind of regularly. And this is just a little mix of a pretty rich black kind of like soil with some kind of humusy, like almost like a compost type material. It's about half and half mix because I want good drainage. Citrus doesn't like to be wet, so it doesn't like to have wet feet, but you need to keep it watered regularly, especially because right now we're in winter time. Well, it's fall time, really, not winter yet, but we've got the heat on in the house, and it's very dry. So my idea is I'm going to keep them watered fairly regularly, make sure that the seedlings don't dry out at this critical stage. And then what I will do is once they've started growing up and they're already like a decent little size, then I'm going to add the mulch around the base, just like I have in all the other citrus. So if you haven't seen my video yet on how to grow citrus from seed, check that out. I'll put a link to that at the end of the video and in the description, and you guys can see how to sprout the citrus seeds very quickly and easily. These sprouted in, I think, maybe it was probably like 2 weeks-ish, something like that, which is pretty typical for all the other citrus seeds that I've sprouted, and they sprouted really quickly and easily, and you can see that they're doing quite well. So yeah, I think I'm going to do another video on this in just maybe like another week or so as they start growing out and show you guys the progress. And yeah, stick around. Fast forward some time. It's been another like week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, and you can see that they are growing nicely. So got a couple of nice little plants here. Beautiful leaves on these. I'm actually really happy with the way these are looking. Very beautiful plants. And most of them did grow out already. I got a bunch in separate pots, then I have a big bunch in one pot. I'm going to show them to you guys. Yeah, success. Hopefully they grow nicely, and then into springtime I will be looking to plant some outside, and hopefully we'll have a place that we've bought by then. Yeah, and then we'll be able to plant some outside. So let me show you guys the other ones. So yeah, you can see I put a bunch in this big pot here because I was kind of running out of the little pots, but even here there's quite a few nice ones that have grown out, and yeah, I would say this is definitely a success. So it seems to be easy to sprout and grow these flying dragon oranges from seed. Hopefully they grow nicely, and I'm looking forward to planting them out. So hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one. Thanks everybody. Really appreciate everybody subscribing and commenting. Thank you all for your support. Thanks. Bye.